Washington, Washington Maritime Injury Lawyers. Stacy Jo- Jacobson, PLLC, is a leading maritime injury law firm located in Seattle, Washington. Our strong reputation has been built upon a foundation of success in even the oldest of cases. We have handled thousands of Jones Act seaman injury claims and recovered millions of dollars in compensation for our civilians throughout the country. Tracy Jacobson, PLLC, represents injured work only. Our Washington Maritime Injury Lawyers do not represent ship owners, employers, or insurance companies. Our careers has been dedicated to the representation of work and seamen aboard ships, dog, fishing boats, fish processors, travels, triggers, longiners, crabbers, sinners, factory travels, Guarantors, offshores, oil rights, precious ports, barges, pile drivers, and derricks. Our background and practical experience provide us with the understanding of how these accidents happen and how they can be prevented. We understand how injury impact people's lives and how these injuries will impact their ability to earn a living and provide for their families in the future. Further, we add Stacy Jacobson PLLC and the dedicated to the getting our clients full compensation for their injuries. When a fair settlement is not made, we are prepared to go to court. Our Washington maritime engineers are the most experienced in the nation in handling wrongful death claims. We have the compensation commu- commitment, skill, and knowledge to recover fair compensation for the families of the person lost at sea. Our lawyers have represented over 100 families in claim of wrongful death of loved ones. Practical experience gained over many years of litigation in is important when we need help after a family member is lost at sea.